Say goodbye to noisy compressors and tangled hoses and say hello to Flex 24-volt brushless 18-gauge brad nailer, here to transform your workspace. This powerhouse of innovation isn't just another tool, it's a game changer that's rewriting the rules and efficiency for projects both big and small. This groundbreaking nailer effortlessly drives up to 3 nails per second, leaving traditional ramp-up times in the dust. Powered by a robust 2.5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, this cordless marvel can drive a staggering 2,200 nails on a single charge, ensuring your productivity remains at peak levels throughout the day. But it's not all about raw power. Precision is the name of the game. The depth adjustment lever on this tool is truly a game changer compared to the traditional wheel, which can be a hassle to operate. The lever offers a level of precision and ease that's hard to beat. Now let's shine a light on one of the coolest features, its triple LED light. With this brilliant addition, even the dimmest corners of your workspace become as bright as day. No more squinting or struggling to see what you're working on. These lights have got you covered. Adaptability is key, and the Flex 18-gauge brad nailer rises to the occasion with flying colors. Seamlessly toggle between bump and sequential firing modes to match your workflow preference. While the nail indicator offers a crystal clear view of remaining nails in the magazine, eliminating any guesswork. With features like dry fire lockout and tool-free jam clearance, you can say goodbye to wasted time and damaged workpieces once and for all. Conquer even the most cramped workspaces with ease, thanks to the nimble and lightweight design of the Flex 18-gauge brad nailer, and with its heavy-duty belt clip featuring a lead-in profile, keeping your trusty tool close at hand has never been simpler or more convenient. The Flex 24-volt brushless 18-gauge brad nailer is a true game changer for any workspace. With its lightning fast nail driving speed, long-lasting battery, and precision features, it's rewriting the rules of efficiency. With the addition of the triple LED light and the quick depth adjustment lever, you wonder how you ever got by without it. So say hello to a new era of productivity and convenience with the Flex 18-gauge brad nailer, your ultimate partner in craftsmanship and efficiency. And that's all I have for the Flex 18-gauge brad nailer. What do you think about it? Let us know in the comments, and make sure you like and subscribe. If you have any other questions, leave us a comment, or give us a call, or send us an email, or write us a letter. Whatever you prefer, just get a hold of us and we'll help you out. If you're looking for even more content from us, subscribe to our channel or check out one of these videos here. Thank you for watching. Now get back to work. Was that cool?
Yeah.
It sure was.